is Ashmita. Welcome to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. And a big debut has happened. A big debut in the K-pop world has happened. This is ENHYPEN. ENHYPEN. I think it's ENHYPEN because I always keep calling them ENHYPEN by default. So their new debut song Given Taken has dropped and a lot of people have been waiting for this debut. This is a new group that is under big hit labels and I am really stoked. Now I'm a little scared also because my expectations are really high. And generally when that happens, when I watch something with a lot of expectation, it just, I don't know, it just crashes, at times, most of the time. So let's see. I am just hoping that the song is good. I really like the teasers. I really like the concept of the teasers, which was so dark and scary and sort of horror. So I'm really stoked to see this MV. So without delaying this any further, yes, let's get into the MV. Ooh, all right. Oh, the starting shot only is like that. My goodness. Oh, they are not kidding around. This is gonna be a very dark theme. Subtitles are on.
Wake up in day one. 첫날의 아침 조명이 빛.
That's Kisam, right?
태양의 눈빛 그 빛은 날 불태웠지. 그 빛은 나의 눈 가렸지. 뭘 할 건데 꿈을 쫓아 답인 줄 알았어 놀라. 수많은 썰 수많은 덜 질문의 숲속을 헤매던 나 어둠 속에 저 빛을 따라왔어. 다른 선 너머에 날 부르는 너.
Okay. I like where this is going. Guys, I like where this is going. This part. When they both are standing together.
수많은 썰 수많은 덜 질문의 숲속을 헤매던 나 어둠 속에 저 빛을 따라왔어. 다른 선 너머에 날 부르는 나 운명의 와사비 속에서 마주한 내 안의 경계선 Give it or take it 나의 붉은 눈
Okay.
난 이제 세상을 뒤집어 하늘에 내 발을 내디뎌 Give it or take it 난 너에게 걸어가지 전 세계를 연결하지 난 너에게 걸어가지 전 세계에 닿을 때까지 내 하얀 손 건넨 내 뒤에 수정이
Well done. This is better than what I was expecting. This is so much better than what I was expecting. I mean, they have really okay. I think they were also like, they knew that they were being watched because they of course came from a reality show and oh wow, I like this concept is making me so happy. I don't know, I just get attracted to these dark gritty themes a lot. This concept is making me so happy and for them to use this as a debut song, that's something. Wow. Oh my god, I really liked. Again, I'm gonna listen to this part, guys, because when the beat drops so well, I really like this chorus part.
운명의 와사비 속에서
Yes.
내 안의 경계선 Give it or take it 나의 붉은 눈빛 난 이제 세상을 뒤집어
I really like his vocals. His sound. I love how they have engineered this low, scary voice. Oh wow! Oh my god.
Take it 난 너에게 걸어가지 전 세계를 연결하지
I linked the two words. Okay.
난 너에게 걸어가지 전 세계에 닿을 때까지 내 하얀 손 건네
Oh, they look great, by the way.
내
Huh?
뒤에 수천 개의 신, 내 뒤에 수만 개 불신 너라고 나 꿈을 쫓아 잘 들어 question for life 요즘 과 끝이 없어 기묘의 기로이 남겨진
Okay.
저 하늘을 우린 기다려왔어 그러는 손 너머 날 부르는 너
This part where this song slows down and then the beat drops, from this part onwards till the entire chorus, really it has impressed me. It has impressed me.
널 부르는 너
Has he bitten, like he's become the vampire or something like that? Oh. What the hell?
운명의 화살비 속에서 마주한 내 안의 경계선 나의 푸른 눈빛 난 이제 세상을 뒤집어 하늘에 내 발을 내디뎌
Whoa.
랩 저 하늘에 흐르는 피
Oh, absolutely yes. Oh yes. Red blood.
하늘에 내 발을 내디뎌 저 하늘에 흐르는 피
I love the melody of the song.
올라만 내 손끝은 붉은 빛에 물들어만 가 운명의 화살비 속에서 마주한 내 안의 경계선 나의 붉은 눈빛 난 이제 세상을 뒤집어 하늘에 내 발을 내디뎌
Oh. Are they in some asylum kind of place?
난 너에게 걸어가지 저
What?
세계를 연결하지 난 너에게 걸어가지 전 세계에 닿을 때까지 내 하얀 손 언니
Yeah, this music was there. Is this a clue for the next? Whoa! Did you see that? Oh, he's the vampire. Did you see that fang teeth coming out at the end? Just a glimpse. Oh! Is there anything more? No, there isn't. Oh wow! And hypen, yes! Given, taken, beautiful. In fact, I will have to watch this MV many times because I'm sure I have missed out a lot of clues, because then, you know, when you watch it multiple times, I'll be looking out for clues, what it actually means in the clips, because right now I was more focusing on the song and how the song is and how their vocals are sounding. So yeah, firstly this MV, like I said at the beginning, I'm really impressed that they debuted, you know, this is the debut song, and the concept that they have chosen is so different, so dark. I mean, to choose this kind of theme for debut is quite nice, and I like it. I really like the direction that they are taking, because, you know, it'll make them sort of stand out in from all the other groups. So yes, I think it is a very strategic decision that has been taken by the label. So that's good. Let's see where this goes. Secondly, congratulations for your debut, and all the engines. How is the fandom name pronounced? Engines or engines? I think engines. So stream hard for your artists. And third, I love this song so much, especially like when it slows down, like I said, when it slows down and that entire chorus. Their vocals are amazing. I really particularly liked Hisang. His vocals really stood out for me in this, and their choreography, not very intense, but it goes with the vibe of the song. You don't need very heavy choreography in this song because it was more of storytelling than dancing, which I again liked. I liked how they have balanced the storytelling and the dancing, and I cannot wait to see where this story goes. So guys, that was my reaction for Given Taken. Do share in your thoughts what you thought about this song. Good, average, bad, or wow. Let me know your thoughts, because of course my opinion can always differ from yours. So yes guys, that was it from me right now. Congratulations again to ENHYPEN. Alright, and do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.